Hello, welcome to my channel. Here, something different than before. We're going to see in action this little robot vacuum cleaner, which, sorry about my dog. I will just let it now to work here in this area, which is covered with camera, so you can see it, and like for 5 minutes or so. So after that we will see a container first. Its container is clear, so let me start it and you can see it in action actually. In middle, it cannot go over carpet. That to be clear, its distance from the ground is very low, so it will not go over carpet. He will turn always, I hope, when it come to carpet. So yep, as you can see, it working very nice and easy. So people, here we are after a little of work. First to see how much dust or whatever. I can't see anything. I mean, my wife cleaned this space yesterday afternoon. Here it is. Of course it can, as you can see. Yep, dog hair and some dust. It do the job, some job. Yep, we can say it cannot. Even if I do it like this, look at it now. Here, I cannot. Look at this. Let me piece of paper. Look at this. You see this? Can you see this? No, it will not pick anything like that. Look at it. It can't pick anything. Simply does not have power for that. So it's obvious it's picking only dust. Only dust and short hair and such thing. So nothing so big. Yeah, these picks long hair, as you can see. A lot of garbage around. Yeah. So what's left? Of course, to see what is inside. First here, some batteries, as I remember. Just one LiPo battery. Look at it. This is 3.7 volt battery, 300 milliamps. Okay, but instead of this you can run on two AA batteries, 1.5 volts. Not bad combination. What I wanna see is just I can bet there is some stupid logic inside, which detecting that it hit some obstacle and to turn it, or this rotational, or this automatically do the job. I don't know. Plenty screws here, really. So keep in mind price of it. I will tell it. Should I tell anything? Should I talk anything? Yep. Should I complain how I am suspicious about YouTube and possible shadow ban over my channel because my videos does not getting views, but I still doing job because I cannot prove anything and they will never actually tell anything like that to any YouTuber. Yep, it go out. So here we are. This is joke. Truly joke. It's all about gear here. You see, when you power it on, look at now. Nope. Oh. I forgot that I removed battery. Fun. Really. Well, what we could expect for $6 US. Look at this beauty. One engine and one motor. Small toy motor. You know this motor. Gear which turning here. This one is fallen. Here is belt. It's fun how they built and it do the job. I mean, but this it's fun, really. Really, I don't have what to say anymore about this. You can see everything. Do I recommend this? No. Even for €6? No. Please don't buy it. This is really joke. This only maybe this model worth. It's a charger for lipo battery. Let's see how good charger is. Let's see that. have tiny IC. Wow, maybe even control it. L P 40 54. LP 40, so 40 54, 40 54 IC. Yep. So it do the job. Maybe just this charger worth something. I doubt anything else. Motor can be used for something else. I don't know. But this is really joke. I even don't know who got idea to build something like this and to start selling this. China is beautiful country, really. From China you can get everything, everything in different quality. You can get really good and relatively cheap, but really good robot cleaner which will work perfectly over carpet and everything else. But in same time, someone in some garage somewhere in China start making these these vacuum cleaners. Vacuum cleaners. Well, we can say it cleaned. It picked a lot of dog hair and dust in this little space where it was operating. So actually, it do the job regarding cleaning light, dust, and hair. I can't say it doesn't work truly, but still, buy candies to your children for €6. Don't spend money for this. More, please. That is all from me today, and see you soon with next video. And listen me, this is not next interesting video I going to show you. It just came into my head that I could show you this. Thank you for watching, and see you very soon with new video. Bye bye.